Let me show you how you can add a new automation in Autofox. First, we are going to create an Autofox. Go to Autofox here, then add new Autofox. Let's do client and lead. Let's choose marketing because these are nurturing emails. Then let's add this title here. Let's leave it as auto. Any existing records, no. These emails are going to be sent once. This is a one-time campaign. Then let's leave it like this, disable, and let's choose the customer type, which is lead. So every time that I get a new lead, they are going to enter in this automation. Let's save Autofox. Now we're gonna start by adding new steps and actions. Let's click in here, new step, and we want this email 1, which is going to be sent instantly. Let's save it, closed window, then add a new action right here. Let's choose email. In the new action, first we're gonna choose default Autofox template. The first action will be, are you looking to improve your credit score? Let's copy this in the subject as well, and let's click on company email. You can leave it like that, client email. Doesn't matter that this is going to be sent to a lead, because what we need is that it's sent to the email. Now, as you can see, there are placeholders or variables right here. It means that these words are going to be replaced by your own information. In this case, company logo, your lead's first name. Then you will have to add a text right here. You can add, if you bought the text templates, you can copy and paste the text right here. Or if you bought the Canva templates, you will have to go here and then you click on upload, choose file, select the template that you want to send, open, send it to server. If you want, you can reduce this. See, this is how the email would look like. The company logo, first name, then the email, then your company's information, your website right here, and you can save this. Okay, perfect. Now we have the first email. Then let's add another step, which is going to be the second email. Which is going to be sent after the first email was sent. But you need to select the interval time, in this case, maybe 5 days or 7 days later. Then save step, close window, then add a new action. Let's send an email, default Autofox template. Let's add book an appointment with us as the subject. Let's choose company email if you want to send it from your email. If you want that lead to see your email, leave it like this, client email. Then let's replace this and choose another template. Just click on this one. Send it to server. There you have it. Maybe reduce it a little bit. Okay. And there you have it. Let's save it. Let's save Autofox. And now we're gonna test this out. Let's add a new lead to see how this automation works. So you can see every time you get a new lead, this automation will start, and that lead is going to be getting those emails. Let's save changes and let's give it a few minutes. Let's go and check if we received those emails. Here it is. As you can see, this is the template we created with the logo, the name, and the information. You can customize this if you want it to be smaller. Here's the information, and that's it. Thank you.